Every day, the power of flight drives global progress, fostering connections and bridging distances. With every takeoff and landing, we count on the heart of every aircraft. The engines. Each is a marvel of engineering, with tens of thousands of precision-crafted components working in seamless synchrony. At Airfoil Services, we specialize in restoring the performance of compressors and turbines, essential aircraft components, ensuring world-class safety, quality, and efficiency. Every day, our dedicated team, together with the expertise of our skilled engineers and technicians, breathes new life into the critical components that keep aircraft flying safely and reliably. Airfoil Services offers comprehensive repair capabilities, from cleaning and inspection through the full range of state-of-the-art manufacturing processes. By leveraging the latest technology, we deliver top-tier repair solutions that reflect our unwavering commitment and passion for excellence. Our commitment is to maximize the value of every part, delivering the highest possible yield rates, shortest turnaround times, and uncompromising quality. Located in the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia has become a key player in the global aviation industry, with Airfoil Services at the forefront. Airfoil Services now serve more than 250 customers worldwide. Holding all major aviation approvals, we proudly support a diverse engine portfolio powered by all major OEMs, serving a vast majority of airlines worldwide.
For more than 2 decades now, the company has been based on the very successful joint venture partnership between the 2 leading German MRO providers, MTU and Lufthansa Technik. I would say, today we bring together the best of both worlds. On the one hand, German engineering know-how and the highest quality standards. And on the other hand, enormous agility, flexibility and a profound operational experience.
Beyond our milestones and successes, our people and values shape the way we work and grow together. At Airfoil Services, we work together as one cohesive team, united by the core values that shape our company.
At the heart of our culture are teamwork and respect. We appreciate the importance of having fun, as it brings the positive energy to our work, helping us grow, achieve our objective, and also celebrate our accomplishments.
At Airfoil Services, we support growth at every stage. Hear how our team has advanced through mentorship and opportunity.
Starting as a technician, I work hard to understand each part of the process. Today, as a gate leader, I lead my team with the same dedication, knowing I've been where they are now.
From continuous improvement to tooling and project management, every role prepared me for what I do now as a section manager of Engineering LPG division. I'm proud to bring my expertise to a bigger stage and inspire others to reach higher.
At Airfoil Services, every individual represents the cornerstone of our excellence. Together, we are committed to keep the skies safe through high-quality precision maintenance. Our work keeps airplanes flying. Precision you can trust, safety you can rely on. As one team, we restore blades and drive innovative repairs for limitless horizons. That is us. That is Airfoil Services.